Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla. Yes, me there again, my people. Big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. I have some things I want to talk to you about. You see? Alright, first things first, my people. I am going to present a video to you that I recorded in Jamaica. Now, the video that I'm about to present to you is going to show some things that happened when police from within the country of Jamaica was trying to resolve an issue between a man and a woman. So I got the understanding that the man and the woman had a confrontation, and somehow police got involved in the whole situation. The female said some things in the video that gave me the understanding that she claimed that she and the man is or was together and that the man owed her a certain amount of money. But the man denied those things that the female said about him, viewers and subscribers. The female also said some more things in the same video that gave me the understanding that she claimed that she and the man had sex, and she also made other allegations. However, the man denied those things that the female said about him. Now, viewers and subscribers, I want you to look and listen to this video carefully and tell me what you think. I want you to listen to the things that the female said, and I want you to listen to the things that the man said. And I would like you to tell me if you believe or if you do not believe the female, or if you believe or if you do not believe the male. You can also tell me what's the best way to resolve a situation like this, viewers and subscribers. Now, please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
And you go start and what is me, what you look at this I say my put me and say and say officer see me and people say my flick I broke away no so you can go shop pass.
Yeah, okay.
No, yes, sir. You done? Am I time? Sir, me and this man live about 10 years. We are
The line, I know that you tell.
Oh, my
Sure, I know that you tell me. You make up story.
Alright.
You make up story.
Alright. Let me know. We don't know where you're
Where in here?
Clive, you know us.
Clive what?
That is why you fight me up a while up to me to know you're right here.
Because you're wrong, you're going to shop and take up the food and glass and grab it when the police them say go on the yard. They find the grab and the counter to the food and glass. I know my girl.
We don't live together, sir. We don't live together.
They don't live on me in a day. You don't know me, you don't know where my name. Where my name?
You know me?
Me I don't live on me.
You don't have sex?
No, I don't have sex.
Yes, sir.
I have no sex.
You feel like you're a cartoon?
Who said I have no sex? I have nothing. Set up a mix up that.
Nobody make that rule. Nobody make that rule.
Rasta don't know. Lady, why are you here?
No, sir. I am with this man tonight, sir. Right? You should want to people in his shop, clean up the table, and we'll chill with him sometime. We have sex in real. No, you say I got no money, you know, is that right? Since we are here at all of long, you say that one 2 grand to you, you say. Yo, I don't want my money, but I'm beer with it because I always tell you we attack. No, sir. You don't want to give me, when we grow up, you don't want to give me the 2 grand. So I say, when you want, you don't want to give me 2 grand. You know that. I say, alright, before, you know, we run about to have sex all long. So I say, this man, you take too long, about 3 hours in there, 3 hours. So I say, want some wings, buy me some wings. He promised me to buy me some wings. What?
How you pull that?
Rasta.
Right there, people.
Check police.
You're not already. So I fear I can't do that.
Yeah,
so you're under catches 3 hours one. Continue.
let's check that.
Yeah, sure. Yes.
Yes, sir. So I tell you, say, come buy some wings. So you want some to eat some wings. Probably we go sleep on my shop and say, I have to go. You say, I make my taxi, them gone and go. What?
Where you live?
We have one place up there, sir.
Okay.
Right up the road. No, me ready now, and he say I'm ready. So I say, give me 750. I say, no, I don't agree with man. You always trick me up. January last year, he owe me $20,000. $20,000 million of sex for what if a time? So I say, you come,
So
you say, go.
me not put you. Are you not selling sex or what?
No, we don't sell sex, we don't know what we call it, but we talk.
Your name just...
Okay.
Talk, we don't know what we call it in Jamaica,
So
but we
why
talk.
are you 20,000 for sex? I don't want to know.
From January we talked last year, and he said that
I
owe me.
every sex you
He don't give me nothing.
So you
He promised me up, say not sell nothing, sir.
Oh, so you add up your money.
He said the soup, right? This one, he said I have the soup, sir. He tell me to have to pay rent and so forth. Right? So I said, alright, I'm going to be here with you. Tell me if you don't put somebody, sir. I'm be here with you.
Look at him. You can be charged 3 up here if you're
Well, wait now.
He better give me $1,000, sir.
don't know who and nothing.
So you say right now this week?
Mr. Man, I don't grind. She had to line up right now. She want to mix up here. Tell us about
What else you gonna shop?
Sweet and sour. Shut the street.
Oh, we not
We might
going
shut the
street.
street.
We know what you're doing now.
We might not shop the street. We wash your pot. Hello, wash your pot 2 times.
You can't wash your pot. I mean, I don't know. Man, I wash your pot. No, man, I wash your pot. You don't say I lie. Right now, you take up my money out the shop and we wash my money.
Hey, smoke back here.
We want my money and we take up my money.
Search, you know your money.
We not search man.
Search back. Hey,
search man.
hey, search back. So you know what, search back.
I'm lying.
See the back, the search back.
You say me lie, I don't talk.
Give me my money, man.
Which money?
No, you're not up tonight, you're not up. You're up here and I say,
I saw we all have them out there hot dog. Them are that witness. And the police, look at police, and that witness.
Hey, you're talking on my face, but you're the crowd. Crowd, you're sitting there talking.
Tell me about anything in my face in the mouth.
You're calling me dog on my girl. Hello. You're calling me dog on my girl. Tracy people are looking at chat me behind your back. You're telling me you know. Hey, you're chat me. You're chat me behind your back. You.
Now we didn't see you want to fight. Now I'm inside right this side. You see you?
Rasta, Rasta, look at him. I'm not doing one brother. I treat all your own there, man.
No. Me not tell her that I don't grind.
I'm not sure.
Me not grind. Me not tell her something like me grind.
I'm not tired, so my Rasta.
Me not grinding, brother. But you see some of them now they feel like they can. She not do man.
You not touch yourself. 3 bad man in a club. 3 bad. Come over here, come here. Everybody come here.
Well, some Jamaicans might call that type of situation pasa. You saw me answer, people. Yeah. You know, I said this before, without police, there would be chaos. And did you hear some things that a police officer said in a part of the video, viewers and subscribers? The video is right here. Alright, so here's what I think about this situation, viewers and subscribers. And here is a solution that I think might be good when it comes on to the confrontation that happened between the man and the woman. Alright, so I think that the man and the woman should try their best to come to some form of legal agreement. Notice I said legal agreement because I do not support anything illegal. So I said legal agreement. You see me I said? And if them cannot come to some form of agreement that is legal between each other, then I think that the man and the woman should avoid each other and stay away from each other. Avoid any form of confrontation between each other, viewers and subscribers. Whatsoever gain, whatsoever lose, cut our losses and just avoid each other, stay away from each other. You know what I mean? Because, you know, some things when I hear in the video, I wonder which one of those persons are actually telling the truth. One at a time, I'm thinking more about the things that the female said than the things that the man said in the video. But then again, I started to think differently and then I asked myself, what if? So, because it's so difficult for me to just believe one of those persons, I don't know which one of them to believe, I think it will be best that them try to come to some form of mutual agreement, and if they can't, then they stay away from each other. Alright, but you can let me know what you think, viewers and subscribers, you know. And I'm going to move on to another topic. Now I'm going to present a video to you, my viewers and subscribers, and this video is going to show when someone entered a motor vehicle. Now this video has been posted on social media claiming to show when a person who is considered to be a thief break and entered a motor vehicle. The video shows the person inside of the motor vehicle, and it is said that the person searched inside of the motor vehicle. The video is said to be a surveillance video footage and the video has a date on it, but I cannot confirm if that date is accurate. I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly where the video had been recorded. I tried to get information to determine if anything had been stolen, but information about the whole situation are somewhat sketchy. And I hope that by presenting this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, that this video can bring some form of awareness. And I want to say this to each and everyone, please be careful before, during and after the holidays. You see? Because you have some dishonest people out there, viewers and subscribers. Yeah. Anyways, why take a look at this video and tell me what you think, and please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Face there, right?
The one where you had red, you can see face better.
They can zoom on, that man can zoom on.
Yeah, them man don't know for zoom.
Ja, als we gaan before you go away. Then go away anyway.
Listen on people, listen carefully.
Catch on good when you put under light. Full turn off.
Watch it. What that look like to you, my people?
Or you must go next station. You know if you pass it, go next station.
Dagat mo kaya ako bating nong na.
Pero lahat
You
German
turn
number,
off
just
before.
one number, right?
Mm.
What's your number?
Me turn on no tell you them number.
Buti lang lakay do.
No, but if you catch one of them, now they go with them all about. You get one of them by number. Saddle.
Hindi ka sa lang. Leniwa ko na din. Kasama yan.
You go here, nothing for this.
Punto na po rin nagasik na.
Yeah, why not tell it?
Watch it. So you see the person throw something over the head. Look there.
No, it's so easy.
You come out of the car. You realize the camera there and you cover your face.
No, ilakay si kuno kay na here.
You have some dishonest people out there, my people. You know, and it's unfair if you know so that you work for what you want and then someone take it without your permission or without even you knowing. It's unfair. It's not right. So I say, just be careful, my people. Just be careful out there. Alright, my people. So I hope that this video can bring some form of awareness. You don't know Dancehall skilla there for keep you up to date and post it, let you know what's going on. Big up to my people within the Caribbean. Big up to my Guyanese. Big up to my Jamaicans. Big up to my Trinidadians. Big up each and everyone worldwide. Here's where I'm going to leave it. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall skilla.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla. Hear me now? Hey, yo, skilla. You are watching Dancehall skilla Entertainment.